SSO for readers is perfect when you have a group of people who only need to view flipbooks inside the Flipsnack interface, not edit them. These might be, for example, employees who should read internal documents or clients who you want to share private reports with. Readers have a very limited access. They can log into a special reader dashboard and see only the flipbooks shared with them, nothing more. To add an SSO reader, go to Settings, then Readers in your Flipsnack workspace. Click Add Reader. Just like with teammates, fill in the person's email and check the SSO only option. Send the invite to the reader. They will receive an email and must accept the invitation. Now, when you want to share flipbooks with these readers, you need to ensure your flipbook's privacy settings are configured correctly. Publish your flipbooks as private with readers-only access. This settings means that the flipbook is not public. It's only accessible to people you've added as readers in your workspace. You can add individual readers or a group of readers to each flipbook. In fact, Flipsnack's reader management lets you create groups of readers to easily share multiple flipbooks at once, rather than adding people one by one. If you check the option to notify readers, Flipsnack can automatically send an email to those readers whenever you share a new flipbook with them, so they'll know new content is available. Unlike team readers, readers do not have access to any editing tools, settings, or statistics. They will just see the flipbooks you shared with them, and a read button on each flipbook's thumbnail. They can click Read to view the flipbook right in their browser. They might also see a header with your organization's logo and the flipbook title on the top of the viewer. A great advantage of using SSO for readers is that you can track individual reader engagement. Each reader's views and interactions with the flipbook can be recorded, so you'll know who has read which documents and how they engaged. Readers added via SSO will automatically have access to any new readers-only flipbooks you publish with them. It's a very efficient way to securely distribute content to specific people or groups with minimal effort after setup.